Do you ever have to keep track of multiple strips of quilling paper for a large project? Or maybe you do bulk quilling and need to keep all those strips separated yet quickly accessible. I was recently testing and retesting my new pattern quilling succulents. I needed pre-made strips on hand when I got to a certain part of the tutorial, so I would pre-cut those strips numerous times to be on hand. Then I needed somewhere to put them somewhere safe, and I could have easily used a negative sheet holder like this, but the strips were rather small and it would be hard to reach all the way down there for that. And I could have certainly used a like a empty chocolate box like this, but I didn't have one on hand at the time. So instead I came up with a different method. I created this simple accordion organizer out of a sheet of paper, and each one of these dividers kept these colors and segments separated. I was able to label each one so I remember which part of the pattern it came with, and the best part is that it was easily stackable too. So I could just put one on top of another and save space on my table and yet access both of them whenever I wanted. It was really easy to put this together. Let me show you how. I just took a scrap piece of paper and folded it in half and folded that in half again. Then I would just take the bottom half and refold and fold once more. And then I just turned it around and of course just redid the same thing. And I didn't want to do it all on one side because otherwise it gets a little bulky and hard to manage. And then you can unfold it and refold it in a zigzag pattern. Okay, and after you've accordion folded all that and gave it a good crease, you can open it up, put it on your table, and now it's ready to use. You can easily stack quite a few sheets of every segment in here, every strip in multiple colors, and keep them all, separate yet easily accessible. If you have great ideas on how to organize your bulk quilling strips prepared ahead of time so that you can do, multiple projects quickly, please feel free to share them in the comments below.